Bakit patok ang A-REIT sa investors? Una dyan, regular dividends. They are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their income. Pangalawa dyan, it's backed by Ayala Land. Solid reputation and premium properties. Ayala yan eh. Tangible investment. May exposure ka sa real estate without the stress of property management. And of course, listed yan sa PSE. You can easily buy and sell shares anytime. Since its IPO in 2020, A-REIT has consistently delivered dividends to its investor with an average annualized dividend yield of around 5% to 6%, making it a solid choice for passive income. Kung gusto mo ng passive income, real estate exposure, at stable returns without buying physical property, A-REIT is a solid option. Paano makakapag-start? First is to open a stock trading account and invest directly in A-REIT. Or you can look for a managed fund with exposure to A-REIT. Gusto mo pa ba ng Philippine stock market stories? Follow Ramper Financials for more.